Alright, hi guys. Today I'm just going to get right into it and I'm going to unbox Birchbox Man, this is for August 2018. This is my first Birchbox, and after I open it up, I'll explain to you guys what it's all about. So let's open this bad boy up. This is how it comes in the mail, in a bag like this. Oh man, it's kind of tough. All right, let's just cut through this. All right, here we go. I got it open now. All right, nothing in there. Oh yeah, and when I signed up, I got a free pair of glasses, which is pretty cool. I think they're polarized. The info, bunch of nonsense, and then here we go. Birchbox Man. This guy don't know how to open a box. Jesus, how many boxes are there? Alright, Birchbox Man. A little bit of life hacks and happy hour. This is everything that comes in the box right here. They send you samples of everything, and then you can buy the full size for these prices here. Sensitive skin moisturizer, body wash for men, grapefruit face cleanser, age defender dual action exfoliating cleanser, the purifying wash for body, face, and hair. So that's it, guys. Everything in my Birchbox. We'll look at that one more time. Oh, apple a day. Okay, this gives you cool stuff. Anyways, now I'll explain to you guys how it works and how much it costs. Alright guys, so that's the Birchbox Man, which just saw the unboxing. And if you guys are interested in this, it's about $10 a month. And I'll send a link in the description to go to the website. You have to go to the Birchbox grooming section because they have one for women and men. But it's a good little thing, man. So you guys should check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys can always get updated when I drop a new video, which is every week. And thanks for watching.